Congratulations! Not only are you a part of a fast-growing industry, but you are in the beginning stage of becoming an entrepreneur. Each eye has a natural lash shape and size. During the client consultation, determine which shape and size the client has and the look they want to achieve. The lash map serves as a guide for each eye and will keep your work symmetrical and organized. Refer to the figures below as a template for each lash style. Dramatic eye, natural eye, cat eye, dolly eye, wispy eye. Eye shapes can be complemented with different lash styles. Listed below are eye shapes and recommended lash styles. Downturned eyes. Use the D curl on the outer corner to lift up the eye and C curl on the inner corner. Round eyes. Create a cat eye style. Almond eyes. Use any curl and style. Protruding eyes. Use D curl and shorter lash lengths. Closed set eyes. Use the D curl on the inner eye corner and C curl on the outer eye corner. Wide set eyes. Create a doll eye style. Monolid eyes. Use longer lash lengths and a less dramatic curl. Hooded eyes. Use longer lash lengths and a less dramatic curl. Upturned eyes. Use all curls to create a doll eye style.